imagine who God is? Could you draw any idea who God is and what he is? So with this quotation, you will really appreciate it in the next reading. Let's go forward now. Now, so I asked the question, how many stars are there in the sky? So I asked the internet, tell us how many stars. So Google search, simple Google search, it says that 200 billion trillion stars. So I asked, what is the meaning of this number? It continues. It said, using the Milky Way. So when you look at the observatory, you can be able to see the Milky Way. Looking at the Milky Way as our model, we can multiply the number of stars in a typical galaxy, to bracket 100 billion, by the number of galaxies in the universe, to bracket 2 trillion. The answer is an absolutely outstanding number. There are absolutely 200 billion trillion stars in the universe. Or to put it another way, 200 sextillion. What is 200 sextillion? Scientists are trying to understand God. Hallelujah. That's 200,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000, is so big, it's hard to imagine. Look at the zeros. How do you define this? But the Bible will give us just one word for this: everlasting or eternal. It speaks of the eternal God. The Greeks call the Zoe nature of God. Hallelujah. The stars, you cannot comprehend it. If the stars are numbered in this form, this is just the number. Don't even talk about the size of it. Then what is the form or the greatness of the God who made these 200 sextillion stars according to science? Yet this number cannot be comprehended in the context of eternity. Now, Abraham's seed, a type of the stars. So why is it so? Now, when God was speaking to Abraham, he said, and he brought him forth abroad and said, look now towards heaven, Genesis 15:5, and tell the stars, if thou be able to number them. And he said unto him, so shall thy seed be. So God knew why he told Abraham to number them. God made the stars. He knows the number. So you see, 200 billion, 6 trillion, all those things. So God asked Abraham to number them. I can imagine Abraham was saying, okay, number of my seed, 1, 2, 3 in the night, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He got confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. God was watching him. 13. Oh, 1. You can't number them. So he said, so shall thy seed be. So you see the number is just eternal. Now, you realize that all these box into the idea that it is God's thoughts. God thought it, then when he had expressed it, it has to happen. Right? So in this observatory in Arizona, when William Brown went there with his friend, and he said that, and we seen 2 stars in the observatory, how close they